Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is September 10th, 2025, and we're diving into Land's End's second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Land's End has released their Q2 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue changes to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Land's End reported a net revenue of $294.1 million for Q2 2025, which is a 7.3% decrease compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The decline in net revenue is primarily due to a slower start in their seasonal swim product and challenges in the U.S. e-commerce segment. However, it's worth noting that their gross margin improved by 90 basis points to 48.8%, thanks to better promotional productivity and licensing business expansion.
And what about their profitability?
Despite the revenue drop, Land's End managed to reduce their net loss to $3.7 million from $5.3 million last year. This improvement is a result of their disciplined cost management and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, how did Land's End's different segments perform this quarter?
The U.S. digital segment saw a decline of 5.6% in revenue, largely due to the e-commerce challenges. However, the Outfitters segment grew by 5.1%, driven by new customers in the school uniform channel. Additionally, their third-party revenue increased by 14.3%, thanks to strong performance on platforms like Amazon and Macy's.
And what about their inventory management?
Land's End has been reducing inventory for 9 consecutive quarters, achieving a 3% year-over-year decline. This reflects their disciplined approach to inventory management, which positions them well against external pressures.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of 3 cents for Land's End. How did the actual results compare?
The actual adjusted EPS came in at 9.06 cents, which missed the forecast. The adjusted net loss was $1.9 million, reflecting some of the challenges they faced this quarter, including restructuring costs and strategic initiatives.
What does this mean for investors?
While the EPS miss is a concern, the company's strategic initiatives and cost management efforts are positive signs. Investors should keep an eye on how these strategies play out in the coming quarters.
Future outlook and strategic alternatives. Looking ahead, what guidance has Land's End provided for the next quarter and beyond?
For Q3, they expect net revenue between $320 million and $350 million, with adjusted EPS ranging from 10 cents to 22 cents. They're also exploring strategic alternatives, including potential sales or mergers, to maximize shareholder value.
And how are they addressing external challenges like tariffs?
They're actively implementing measures to manage anticipated tariff headwinds, which should help stabilize their financial performance in the latter half of fiscal 2025.
Key takeaways. In summary, Land's End's Q2 2025 results show a mixed performance with revenue challenges but improvements in profitability and strategic initiatives. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Land's End's performance and future prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Land's End's performance in the comments below. Until next time.